This is the gem, the Mini Sports, for those who want a Mini that is a bit different. The film The Italian Job immortalised the Mini with its compactness and incredible ability to be taken to places doing stunts that few other cars could. The police also use Mini Coopers as pursuit cars. It takes one to catch one. Even the RAC and British Police found the original Mini van a practical vehicle. To make them an attractive open-air affair, the Mini begat the Moke, ultimately gaining a bright flower-powered top with the famous Californian version. There still survives in the Northern Territory a factory prototype four-wheel drive version. The ultimate fun car. People bought them in their thousands, and Leyland Australia even built them in Sydney once the British factory had retired them from production.